6 Extreme Test, American Secure Motor Lock. Number 1, Anti-Saw. We use high-speed dimmable hacksaw blade, continuous sawing. X brand test on the right side. X brand failed, in 18 seconds only. The American Secure Motor Lock, withstand the hacksaw attack. Number 2, Anti-Drill. We use a high RPM electrical drill to drill the motor lock cylinder hole, and were still unable to open the American Secure Motor Lock. X brand test failed. Number 3, Anti-Acid. We poured the famous current setting directly into the American Secure Motor Lock. After 60 minutes. Number 4, Anti-Hammer. Continuing the anti-hammer testing, with current set and cord padlock. We used 2 kg sledgehammer, continuous hammering the motor lock body. X brand failed in 3 times hammering, 5 seconds only. Number 5, Anti-Pry. We use 60 cm pry bar to prime the American Secure Motor Lock. X brand failed in 7 seconds. The American Secure Motor Lock withstand the pry bar attack without any breakage. Number 6, Fire Rate and Protection. We use high-temperature gas torch to burn the American motor lock. We also made a test on the X brand motor lock at the right side. X brand motor lock failed in 2 minutes 14 seconds. inheritance secure. Little thing make a big difference.